Hi again, Gwen Polakowski. I'm back with you for Getting Comfortable with LinkedIn. This is episode 3. Glad to see you back. Last time I talked about asserting yourself individually. And so I want to answer the question, how do you do this in practical terms? Well, on LinkedIn, one of the things you can do is write about yourself in your profile. But this is a really big task and it will take you some time. So as you're just getting comfortable with LinkedIn, you don't need to completely finish it yet. You can take time and do it over the next few months. That's totally fine. I also have a free course about writing your About section on your LinkedIn profile. So you're welcome to take that as well. And I'll add the link so that you can register for it for free down below in my video here. But in this video, let's talk about being assertive in how you like, comment, and how these likes and comments will be added to your feed and how all of your contacts will see what you write or what you like. So by liking something, it helps you to assert yourself. It kind of means you stand up and say, this is something I agree with. This is something I believe in as well. And that's harder than you might think it is, right? Because there are often people who might want to be critical about that. So every time you do it, it is a mark of being assertive. And that's great. Good job. What you like helps to show your individuality. And that is important too, because remember, as I said earlier, we are always building your individual reputation, how you are different and unique from other people. That's a key point of how to use LinkedIn. So as you comment, you want to make sure that you're being really mindful of your building reputation. So you want to assert yourself. Yes, you want to say what you think is good and positive, but you want to be also really careful about saying negative things. I always urge people to really avoid saying anything negative at all. It does not help you. And I think you have to get really, really comfortable on LinkedIn before you can do that. It requires lots and lots of diplomacy. Getting into a fight on LinkedIn, that's not good for building your career. But you can continue to build your reputation by finding the people who you think have worthwhile ideas, by liking, by agreeing with them, by adding comments, and maybe expanding the idea a little more. Those are really great things that you can do, again, that assert your individuality on LinkedIn. So just one note, if you can't say something nice about an article or something that someone else has posted, it's fine to just say nothing at all and let it go, right? It's much better than saying something negative. But if you can add something, even if it's just a short positive comment, that is really worthwhile as well. As you'll see when you start writing and adding your own content, it feels pretty good when someone else likes or shares or comments on your ideas. So that's the next step in this part of getting comfortable with LinkedIn. I'm going to stop here, but we'll talk more on how to continue to assert your individuality in our next episode of Getting Comfortable with LinkedIn. I'm Gwen Polakowski. I'll see you there.